ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ?
ನೀನು ಹೇಳು.
ನನಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೃತಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ our last contestant ಕೃತಿ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕೃತಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ್. ನಾನು BTech ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ NITK ಸುರತ್ಕಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ, 3rd ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಈಗ. ನನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಟಲರ್ಜಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್. ಇದು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, IT ಅದು ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. CET ಕಾಲೇಜು ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸಹ ಇದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಟಲರ್ಜಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯೂನಿಕ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಚೂಸ್ ಇಟ್. ನನ್ನ ಹಾಬೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಸಣ್ಣ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸಹ ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸಿಗೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಈಗ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದದ್ದು ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನಿ ಸಂಗೀತ. ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಸಹ, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವಿದ್ವತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಮತ್ತು ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಸ್.
I wish her all the best for ತುಳು Mr. and Mrs. Miss Mangalore ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ದೇವರವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆದ್ದು ವಿನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬೋದು.
ನಾನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವೈಡ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಬಾನ್ ಫೈರ್. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನಗೇನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೇಜ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸಾ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್, ನನಗೆ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ and get a likes. I actually did not even think of coming till here. I'm really grateful to them to give me such a good opportunity and give such a good platform to show my talent and my beauty.
I wish her all the best and ಅವಳೇ ಗೆಲ್ತಾರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Thank you.
ಓಕೆ ಕೃತಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು.
Thank you.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಿಜಯನಾಥ್ ಸರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕೃತಿ?
Kriti, right? Kriti, why did you want to join this contest?
Because I wanted to see, I have become Miss NITK in Surathkal, and I wanted to see as to what place I stand in 500 people when compared to the whole Karavali section. And when I came to top 10, when I was informed that I was in top 10, I was really grateful to the V4 channel and all the viewers and the people who liked my photo and brought me till this stage.
Okay, and what efforts have you put to come to this place, this stage?
The main thing is that the photography of my brother. I didn't go to any kind of photo shoot or something, but I have published my photo almost around in all the pages kind of, and my friends almost supported me like they are very supportive, and the NITK people are just awesome, seriously.
No, because I was not happy with the video, because in the video you're not put any makeup, you're looking much better over here.
Yeah.
It looks as if though like
Because sorry to
yeah,
interrupt.
I was not happy because you didn't change your clothes, there was no makeup, and you not left your hair also open much, and not impressive video, and so I was disappointed compared to what you actually look over here. The other things were fine, and I'm happy that dad also supports us.
Sir, I want to clear it out that one of the contestants backed out.
No.
And I was requested, and the videography was taken on the last day.
No excuses, boss. If you are
sorry,
going
sir,
no
sorry.
excuses. If you want to win this one, you have to be prepared. You should have told the video guy to wait for 10 minutes. You could vote 2-3 different clothes. So when you're competing, you have to compete full-heartedly. Yeah, thanks.
Kriti, what's your full name?
Kriti Vinayak,
Kriti Vinayak. What's your mother tongue?
Konkani,
Konkani. So you can't speak much Kannada.
and not that fluent.
Oh, okay, fine. As Vijay pointed out, I think you could have done a better groundwork, because you're getting a platform which is not easy. Okay, you go from in Mangalore. I think there will be so many girls like you
Yes.
who will be expecting to come in the top 10. So you come in the top 10, and when you come to a contest, there is no excuses.
Yes.
We understand you have
Sure.
problem. I've been told that a lot of people, they went to Bangalore to take photo shoot, to do video, and then showcase it here.
Yeah. I understand.
See, it's a groundwork. For example, the girl we have told, Abhishekta Shetty, maybe if she's come like same like the other video, I may not have told that we can make you the heroine of Bulbul. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Beauty is there, but you need to showcase it.
Yeah.
You are provided a platform, you have to use the platform.
I'll take it, sir. Sure.
Yeah, you just keep this in mind, because
yeah,
it's
sure.
like going to exam without even doing a proper preparation and then expected to win it.
I know.
But you should not even forget that you got the chance, you are there. You know?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah.
I know, sir.
Yeah, so what he's trying to tell you is, you come up well presented on stage, but the video is not showcasing what you have now. For example, I noticed out of all the contestants to walk in the ramp, you got the style of this Lakme Fashion Week models, how they walk in the side and all, you know. Yeah, so the side posture and all. I told you in the rehearsals
Yeah.
also.
Thank
So, but the video is not. What if someone is going to judge you only based on the video? What if people from Dubai?
Actually, even the walk which you said, you got the highest points in my list.
Thank you,
So when you have something God has given you, or you put efforts, opportunity knocks only once. That's what people say. So you must not come up with excuses. Yeah.
Sorry for the excuses.
No, right.
It's because all the films offered to Amir Khan was actually first offered to Shah Rukh Khan, because Shah Rukh Khan rejected all the films offer went to Amir Khan, and all the films were hit which Shah Rukh Khan rejected.
Thank
Yeah, so the bottom of the line of the story is that you got the chance. So if you miss it now, you take it as a lesson and keep it in mind. Next time you get such opportunity,
Sure, sir.
do proper
The next time
homework.
I will never give an
Don't give excuses. They are doing video, you're doing video. You know all
Yeah.
these things. You have to
Sure.
see hook and crook. You need to use the platform provided, because you need to wait next year for such opportunity. Okay.
This event, but for everything that comes up in your life, you must have the same attitude. It's not just for the event. So that's what I'm trying to highlight to you.
Yeah.
It's not that just for this event that you should be, try to improve. But anytime you get an opportunity in life, you must grab it at once and, make use of it.
Sure.
That's how it is. Thanks.
Feeling incredible. Oh, felt like I was unstoppable. Like a hunger, I wanted more.